Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in if you do not have your Google account currently added to this device, so you will have to do it manually and then simply tap on the circle which is your account. Then enter Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently installed apps, and if you want to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. In my case, I've got 26 of them, and basically, if you want to update the app, then just find it and mark it. So let me pick, for example, Google Chrome, the Gmail, and career services, whatever. Mark those which you'd like to update and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, right now your device will prepare the downloading. After that, it will immediately and automatically install the update. So basically you do not really need to do anything, just wait patiently. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.